Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming account access and billing. Make sure your Google Ads account is active and linked to your YouTube channel. Next, pick a clear campaign goal, leads, brand awareness, or product views, because that guides targeting and bidding. Upload a concise 30-second video in 16, 9, or 1, shorter wins for skippable ads. Once done, create a new video campaign, select campaign subtype, then set daily budget, and start /end dates so your campaign can run immediately. Now you refine targeting. Choose locations, languages, and device splits so your ad reaches the right viewers. Then layer audiences, custom intent for purchase signals, remarketing to re-engage visitors, and demographics to narrow age or gender. This improves efficiency and lowers wasted spend. Upload companion assets, a strong headline, a clear CTA, and a compelling thumbnail that matches video frames. Make sure to set bid strategy, maximum CPV or target CPA, because that controls whether you optimize for views or conversions. Finalize by reviewing the ad preview and confirming tracking. Set conversion actions, add UTM tags, and enable view-through attribution so you measure impact. Launch the campaign and watch performance during the first 48 to 72 hours. Early data tells you if creative or targeting needs adjustment. If delivery is low, increase bids, broaden your audience, or inspect policy notifications for disapprovals. One troubleshooting tip: if conversions lag but views are high, switch to a more conversion-focused bid and test a direct call CTA.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.